You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, front reading lamps, active grille shutters. Come take a test drive today.